Welcome to our first knowledge clip. In this episode, we will discuss the shift from traditional one-on-one job interviews to more creative job interview processes. Traditional job interviews leave room for bias and rely on the questions being asked by the interviewer to get a clear image of the interviewee and often fails to see the skills and weaknesses of the applicant. We will give you some examples of trends in the job interview process. Virtual reality assessment. This type of assessment has the advantage that recruiting and hiring managers can analyze if a candidate can really do what they say they can. Lloyds Banking Group is an example of a company that uses this type of interview. The recruitment manager says it helped them to predict real-life behavior more accurately. By revealing authentic ability rather than practice responses, it's leading them to better hiring decisions. Their candidates are immersed in a virtual world that allows them to put their problem-solving skills to the test, while an evaluator simultaneously rates their performance using standardized metrics. Job interviews in the dark. An example of a company using this type is Aldi. Applicants met a recruiter in a black box, which is an effort to avoid the visual discrimination that is often present in a hiring process. Fewer people will be excluded from the application procedure because of their appearance, sex, or foreign name. Aldi strives for procedure without prejudices, neither on the part of the applicants nor on the part of the company. This also leads to a more authentic approach to the interview. Candidate group interviews. These interviews set two or more applicants against each other, as they will be all interviewed at the same time, and most likely there are two or more interviewers. All applicants will be applying for the same job position. These interviews test your style, professionalism, leadership skills, and the ability to function in a group under pressure. You will be judged on your answers, how you interact and handle yourself in a group of peers and stressful situations. This makes applicants more competitive and they can show why they are the perfect match for the position. As you can see, these three examples are completely different from the traditional job interview type, and we see a connection with the current social trends in society, such as drive for equality. Thank you for joining us, and see you next episode.